What's going on, guys? It's Mr. Boosted here, aka Alan, and today I'm back working on something a little different than what I ever work on. This is the woman's EcoBoost Mustang. I finally talked her into getting some mods for it. As you see here, she got a Turbosmart blow-off valve. It is the blow-off valve compact EM dual port BR2 Ford. There's the part number if anybody's wondering. Yeah, this is all it is. It seems like it's gonna be a pretty simple change. You can do this without taking the charge pipe off, but I'm going to take it off. That way you guys can understand what I'm talking about. They have this version and a manual version that I looked up that actually replaces the PVC adapter thing, and it basically makes it into an electronic blow-off valve into a manual. Wait, did I get that backwards? Yeah, either way. Factory on here. Okay, sorry. The factory wants a bypass valve, not a blow-off valve. But the tools you're going to need for this, I think, I don't know, maybe, is you're going to need either a flathead screwdriver. It doesn't have to be Snap-on. I'm just bougie like that. You're going to need a, what's this one? A 5 Allen head. Doesn't have to be Snap-on either, or a Snap-on extension. Just bougie. But I'm going to use a 7mm with my Milwaukee electric ratchet just to make things easier, get those hose clamps off the charge pipe. Like I said, you don't need to do that. You can do it on the car, but I'm gonna take it off, just it's easier, and so she kind of understands a little more. And there is one, you're gonna need pliers, or you can have these fancy dancy little things here. Thanks, Hayden, for these. He let me borrow it from work. Really nice, really cool. So, I didn't bring my light, so I messed up on that part. So, let's just get started. Again, no lights, you can't see anything. Like I said, this is your stock bypass valve right here. I don't know if you can see that right there. And that's basically what's coming off. You're gonna have to take this recirculating tube off. This is the charge pipe. You don't have to take it off, but I'm gonna take it off just to be easier. So basically just gonna start by taking this clamp off here. Simple. And we're going to take that recirculating tube off. Then you're going to take a fancy dancy tool from Hayden right here that let me borrow. Thanks again, Hayden. And these things are so sweet. You just stick it on there and you hold it and you just grab it. Just kidding, I don't know what I'm doing. Hold on. Am I on that right? Come on now. There we go. Okay, and then there's gonna be, you don't have to do this, but like I said, I'm gonna do it. It'd be a little easier. If you can see down, the bottom of this charge pipe goes down there. I don't know if you can see that down there somewhere. Is where the clamp is. Kind of a pain to get to, but you just loosen that up. And then we should be able to, yep, pop that off. We can, where's the connector at for this? Maybe a couple connectors, some harness clips. We just gotta, I should have brought my prying tool here and I didn't. Another thing I forgot. Gotta move this out of the way. All right, well, I'm not gonna take it out because I did not bring my trim tool remover, and I cannot get these clips out without freaking the old lady out anymore than I already am. So we're just gonna do it right here. 3 Allens. They're not torqued very much, so you don't need a lot of force getting these out. And it comes with new ones, so, but you know, we're gonna keep these anyways. But yes, I instead of taking it off right here, I took it off on the intake just because it was easier to get to on this one than that one. But I've got both ends off for the charge pipe, and I just gotta lift it up out of here enough. There is one electrical connector back here that you're gonna obviously undo. And get this last one out here. Where you at? Just need a little more room. Where is that at? You get spoiled with other things when you have all your tools at your shop and not here. All right, now that it's out. Did we record? We didn't record taking it out, did we? Well, it's over here. We'll show you anyways. This is your OEM bypass valve, not a blow-off valve, bypass valve. And it's actually a lot heavier than I thought it would be compared to this. I mean, this is still kind of heavy, but not as heavy as this. As you see, it's got an O-ring on it, but luckily you get a new O-ring, which is around my fingers. And you also get 3 new Allen bolts, which I'm gonna go ahead and use, might as well. Now these aren't torqued in there very tight, so it's plastic, you're stripping, like, nothing. And this O-ring is just gonna basically just sit in here, and hopefully you don't drop it in your charge pipe like I have a thing I might do. We're gonna try not to though. I have a tendency to drop things like this. Making the old lady a little nervous here. So yeah, it sits right in there. The groove actually matches that O-ring, if it matters. So we'll get our new bolts out here. If you want to take it off, you can. I just didn't have the time to really mess with all that, so I lied once again. So this is basically what's going to plug into the OEM connector. So basically, we're going to set this. I don't think there's a certain way this has to go in there. We're just going to line the holes up and we're just going to roll with it. So it's going to stick in there. Move all this. This is why I said it would have been easier to take out. Just move it up a little bit here and just make sure that O-ring's still in there. Get out of the way. Ow, your car is hot. Okay, so once you get those lined up, actually let's do it this way. We can't. We're just gonna do it this way then. Do it this way. Get those lined up. Like I said, it's not plastic, it is metal threads down there, but either way, they're Allen heads, they don't need to be torqued. Torqued crazy anyways. So you're just gonna start these all by hand. Maybe. Some people can thread things in by hand really easily. Me, on the other hand, cannot, so we're just gonna do this.
You can talk.
Oh. Well, we got those bolted in. Clamp on here, clamp on the bottom, and I'm getting this last clamp on. It's plugged in, obviously. Hayden's gonna be like, why didn't you use my things anymore? Get this clamp down here. Come on, go down. Okay, that's on, the connector's on. Probably should zip tie that to something, but we can do that after. Clamps are tight, clamps are tight. Well, if you want to get in there and start her up and see what she does, watch it not run. I mean, what? Those will be fine, those don't go nowhere. Come on, people are waiting. That's pretty good in there, I think. She's nervous. You nervous?
I shouldn't be freaking nervous.
Well, she's gonna freak out when it sounds good. Rev it. Do it again. All right, shut it off. Well, that's it, guys. That's how you install the Turbosmart blow-off valve. 15, 16?
The year of my car?
Yeah.
18.
18 EcoBoost Mustang. Are you happy with the purchase?
I'm very satisfied.
Well, she likes it, so we got it on there. It's not really hard, it's just kind of a pain because it's tight. She's happy? No check engine light?
I didn't look.
Okay, well, it shouldn't have no check engine light because it's got the connector. But yeah, that's it, guys. I don't know how long this video is actually going to be, but make sure you like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below. I'd greatly appreciate it. And hopefully next time I see you, we do something to the old lady right there. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Later.